You've definitely seen those viral motion graphic videos on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. The ones hitting millions of views and making thousands of dollars every month, right? Now, before you ask, is there competition in this niche? The answer is absolutely not. These 3 popular YouTube channels are the true kings of this niche. Every single video racks up millions of views, and now they're earning massive passive income on autopilot. Most people assume these videos need After Effects. Some AI enthusiasts know it's possible with AI, but they either don't have the budget, quit too soon, or simply can't stay consistent. And that's exactly why this niche is wide open. The best part, with just one single AI prompt, you can create these same viral videos fast, smooth, and ready to post. Let me show you how. But before we move into the main part, if you want to start earning money right from the very first day after uploading your first short video, then I've added a link in the description where you can buy pre-monetized US TikTok and YouTube accounts. This step is not compulsory, but if you don't want your early views to go to waste, then this is a good option to consider. All right, now let's get to the point. The very first step is finding video ideas. Because if you're creating shorts, then you will also need to upload daily, which means you must already have at least 100 ideas prepared. For finding these ideas, I personally use ChatGPT. And yes, every single prompt that I use has been added to a doc file, and I've placed the link to that file in the description, so you can simply copy and paste them for your own use. Now, I already have a well-optimized prompt prepared, and I've added that here. After that, I copied a few popular video titles and pasted them so that ChatGPT properly understands the exact kind of videos that we want. Once that's done, I simply hit enter. Now, you'll notice that with just one prompt, ChatGPT has already generated 20 video ideas for me, along with emojis. And the great part is, if I need more ideas, all I have to do is tell ChatGPT, give me 20 more ideas, and instantly another 20 ideas appear. This way, you can generate unlimited video ideas without running out. Here's a pro tip for you. If you want to come up with unique ideas, then try targeting specific countries. For example, you can create fact-based videos about a particular country, or even about a specific state within that country. By doing this, you will always have fresh and unique content ideas. And trust me, there is absolutely no limit to how many you can generate. For instance, I recently generated 20 ideas based on viral geography distance videos, where I share interesting facts by comparing 2 different countries. Now, let's assume I want to create a script for the very first title in that list, which is the distance between USA and Russia at the Diomede Islands. For this, I simply tell ChatGPT, act as a real and short script writer and write a powerful and engaging script for 30 to 40 seconds long. And then I add my video title at the end and hit enter. Immediately, ChatGPT gives me a proper, well-structured, and engaging script. And the best part is, it even provides me with a map animation prompt along with it. Isn't that amazing? So now the script is completely ready. The next step is to move on to designing the voiceover. To begin, simply go to the voice design page inside 11 Labs. You'll find the direct link in the description, so you won't need to search for it manually. But before you start designing a voice, let me make one thing clear. Always use the voice design feature instead of selecting from the already available generated voices. The reason is simple. Those pre-made voices are being used by thousands of other people, which means they won't give your videos a unique identity. But when you design your own custom voice, it becomes 100% unique and safe, ensuring that your content stands out. Now, once you're on the page, click on Create or Clone a Voice, and then select Voice Design. Here, you'll see a box where you can type in a simple prompt. Basically, all you need to do is describe the kind of video you're creating and the type of voice you want for it. For example, if you're making short history fact videos, you can type something like professional, engaging, documentary-style male voice for short history reels. After that, you can also adjust the settings a little bit if you want more variation. Once you're ready, just hit Generate Voice. In just a few seconds, 11 Labs will design 3 different sample voices for you. Let's listen to them.
The Amazon rainforest, a place of profound mystery. Here, life thrives in an intricate dance, each species playing a vital role. But beneath this
The Amazon rainforest, a place of profound mystery. Here, life thrives in an intricate dance, each species playing a vital role.
The Amazon rainforest, a place of profound mystery. Here, life thrives in an intricate dance.
Okay, in my case, I personally like the first one the most. It sounds more natural and fits my content better. So I'll select that one by clicking on Select Voice. Now give your voice a proper name, add a label if you want, and then save it. After saving, go to My Voices. Okay, here you'll see the custom voice you just created. Now all you have to do is click on the voice icon, paste your script into the text box, and adjust the speed, stability, or style settings if required. Finally, click on Generate Speech. Within just 5 seconds, your complete AI-generated voiceover will be ready. At this point, you can download the file directly to your computer. So now we also have our professional and unique voiceover ready. And with that, we can finally move on to the most exciting step, the step you've been waiting for. For this, simply click on the link given in the description, which will take you to a website called Hera.video. This is actually the first AI tool where you can create highly creative motion graphics videos just by typing prompts. It's completely different from the usual AI editors you've seen, because here, your words alone can generate smooth, engaging, and visually stunning animations for your content. Let's go ahead and see exactly how this works. First, sign up on the website. The link is already provided in the description. As soon as you sign up, you'll see thousands of different types of templates that already look extremely professional. Normally, people waste hours in After Effects to create such motion graphics, but inside Hera, it literally happens with a single click. All right, so now we're going to create a map animation video. So let's jump directly to the map section. Okay guys, here you can see there are a lot of documentary style templates, and honestly, all of them look amazing. Let's pick the last one. I just click on it and then hit use this template. Okay, so this is the kind of map we get. Now, if you are making this for a short form video, you should immediately switch the aspect ratio to vertical. Then let's set the duration to 20 seconds, and inside map style, we'll change it to satellite view because it looks much better. Perfect. You can see the map has already changed. Now what we need is the prompt. I will first try the same prompt that ChatGPT gave me, along with the script. So I'll paste that prompt right here and press enter. It will take a maximum of 1 minute to process. Okay, the motion graphic is now generated, and as you can see, it has been created exactly according to the prompt. That's the video for the first scene. In the same way, you'll need to generate multiple clips for other scenes. But here's the interesting part. Hera AI gives us the option to set a custom duration, which means you can actually generate the entire video with just one mega prompt, instead of creating multiple smaller motion graphics separately. That's exactly what I asked ChatGPT to prepare for me, and it gave me a ready-to-use mega prompt. On top of that, I even added a few advanced tweaks myself. Don't worry, I've already shared all those prompts and you can just follow the same structure. Okay, now I'll paste the whole mega prompt inside Hera AI, then go to the duration and set it to 40 seconds, and hit enter. See, the complete motion graphic has been generated. This time, it even added new creative elements, such as stylish headings, both countries' flags, tilt animations, etc. The animation looks fine, but I did notice that it's moving a little too slowly, and there are also a few glitches showing up. But don't worry, we can fix that with a single prompt. You just need to type remove glitches from animation and make video 30% faster. After that, turn on the enhanced prompt option, and your prompt will be auto-optimized. Personally, I changed 30% to 20% for smoother results. Then just hit enter. Now, as you can see, the animation has become fast, smooth, and overall looks much better. The quality is also really amazing. The total video length is 38 seconds, which is absolutely perfect. So this is how you can create a complete video using just one mega prompt. I'm pretty sure nobody has shared this trick with you yet. So if you found it useful, make sure to like this video. All right, now let's move on to exporting. I'll go to the export section and export the video in 1080p at 30 FPS. You can also export in 4K, but for short form content, 1080p works best. Okay, that's done. Now comes the final step, video editing. You don't need to do high-level editing here. What you need is sound design, meaning adding your voiceover, sound effects, and background music to bring the video to life. This part is actually very easy. You can use software like CapCut, Premiere Pro, or Filmora. For beginners, I recommend CapCut as the best option since it's free and powerful. But I always use Premiere Pro, so I started by creating a new project. Then I imported the video, voiceover, background music, and a few sound effects and placed them on the timeline. After that, I trimmed out all the unwanted parts from the video, like pauses. But before making any edits, it's important to carefully listen to the voiceover. Don't just cut things randomly. Next, I added the sound effects in the right places by simply copying and pasting them, and synced the background music with the video. Once everything was set, I exported the final video. That's it. Once you're done, just export the final video. And there you go. Your complete video is ready.
Did you know the United States and Russia are only a few kilometers apart? Right here in the Bering Strait, two tiny islands sit almost side by side. On one side is Little Diomede, part of the US USA, and just 4 kilometers away is Big Diomede, part of Russia. You can literally see one country from the other, but crossing between them isn't allowed because this tiny gap is also the border between East and West. So while the US and Russia feel worlds apart, at this spot, they're closer than your morning walk. Follow for more mind-blowing geography facts.
Amazing. So that was the full tutorial, guys. I really hope this was helpful for you. Definitely give it a try. And I've shared all the tool links and prompts in the description below. Subscribe for more and follow us everywhere for daily AI updates.